If you're booking hotels through the usual big-name sites, you might be leaving something huge on the table. And I'm not just talking about points. I'm talking about Air Canada Elite Status. You know that business class seat I locked in for half price? That's what 25K status unlocks. And whether you're chasing that 25K for the first time, or you're already elite trying to push to 50K and beyond, there's a tool hiding in plain sight on the Air Canada website to get you there that most people completely overlook, because they assume it's just for booking with points. I used to think that too, but there's a cash option. Same money you'd spend anyway, but on Air Canada, that hotel booking is doing extra work. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like with one real example. I priced 7 nights at One King West Hotel and Residence in Toronto, Canada, across Expedia, Hotels.com, Booking.com, and the Air Canada hotel website. And the Air Canada price was actually cheaper. But here's what none of the other sites give you: 15,057 Aeroplan points and 3,011 status qualifying credits on top. Cheaper price, but one of these bookings is quietly building your elite status. Now, status qualifying credits, or SQC, and Aeroplan points are not the same thing, and I want to make sure that's clear because this is where people tend to get confused. Aeroplan points are your currency. You use them for flights and upgrades. Status qualifying credits are what Aeroplan counts toward your elite tier. You earn 1 SQC for every 5 base Aeroplan points, not bonus points, with partners. Now, one thing I want to flag here: the portal doesn't actually show you your SQC at the time of booking. I'm going to use a real stay I booked and completed to illustrate. You won't actually see that number anywhere until after you complete your stay and it posts to your account. So you do need to know the math ahead of time. It won't be handed to you. And one more thing for anyone who's already 25K or higher. If you have elite status, your base points and bonus points get lumped together in the display. So you can't cleanly do the divide by 5 calculation. And you can see here, because this is my elite account, the base and bonus points are combined. That's exactly what I mean. You can't reverse engineer the SQC from this. I mean, no wonder it's confusing. But that's actually why I used a non-elite account for my Toronto stay example. With base points only, it's straightforward math. But just know you do have to go in with that knowledge already. And honestly, if you still have questions, be sure to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. 25,000 SQC equals 25K elite status, which means you could hit elite status entirely through hotel bookings without ever setting foot on a plane. In fact, in my last video, I showed you exactly how I confirmed a business class seat at booking for half the cash price using e-upgrades that come with the elite status. I'll link that above if you missed it. If you're finding these travel secrets useful, hit subscribe right now, because my next video is going to show you how to earn everyday status qualification on what you're already buying, even without flying. You won't want to miss that. But there's a catch you need to know before you book. Your points and status qualifying credit don't post when you pay. They post after you complete your stay. So book now, earn when you check out. Also, if you're already an Aeroplan Elite member, this portal keeps working for you. You'll earn bonus Aeroplan points on hotel bookings on top of your regular earn. And hotels aren't the only way to earn SQC. Everyday partners like LCBO and Starbucks count too. The cap is 25K SQC total through partners, which on its own is enough to hit elite without a single flight. And here's what most people outside Canada don't realize. Aeroplan is completely free to join no matter where you live. US, UK, Australia. This strategy works for you too. And I know some of you are thinking, why would I build Aeroplan status if I don't fly Air Canada? That is a really good question, and I have a full video coming on exactly that, codeshare flights. And it's going to change how you think about which loyalty program you should actually be building. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. In the meantime, check out this video YouTube thinks you'll enjoy next.